Everything I wish I knew about the Ybeauty TP39 eyebrow microblading tattoo machine gun kit. Now I was gifted this, but instead of telling you how great this product is, I'm gonna tell you only the fact and answer the questions you might have about this microblading tattoo machine gun kit. This is designed as a fairly complete starter setup for practicing permanent makeup and tattoo techniques. So before talking about the machine itself, let me show you everything that comes in the box, because there is a lot here. You get a wireless tattoo pen, a 1300 mAh rechargeable RCA battery power supply, a USB charging cable, 50 cartridge needles in multiple configurations, 7 bottles of pigment ink, a bottle of transfer solution, a container of petroleum jelly, disposable pigment ink cups, pink ink cups rings, disposable glove, pink dental bib or work pad, eyebrow practice skins, a lip practice skin, a larger practice sheet with eyebrows, eyes, eyeliners and lip, eyebrow rulers for measuring and mapping, eyebrow pencils or marking tools, macro brushes and applicators, and the storage case that keeps the kit together. So the big advantage here is that you're not simply getting a tattoo pen and then having to immediately find every basic practice accessory separately. Now let's look at the machine itself. The TP39 is cordless when you are using the included rechargeable battery, so you don't have a power cord running from the pen while you are working. The battery connects through RCA and has a display that lets you see information such as operating voltage and remaining battery level. The 1300 mAh battery is rated for around 5 to 6 hours of operation, with a stated charging time of roughly 2 to 3 hours. Actual runtime can obviously vary depending on how you are using the machine. The battery can also be removed from the pen, which is useful because the machine isn't permanently tied to that particular power source. The pen uses a replaceable cartridge needles, and this kit gives you 50 cartridges to practice with before you need to buy more. You insert the cartridge into the front of the pen and rotate it to secure it. The machine also has an adjustable stroke of up to 4.5mm, giving you some control over how the machine is configured for different techniques. One of the biggest concerns with an inexpensive complete kit like this is quality and reliability. Physically, the pen has a substantial cylindrical butt and textured grip area rather than feeling like a disposable practice tool. But reliability is something I wouldn't claim based on a short test. A machine can work perfectly when it's new, and that doesn't tell you how the motor or battery will perform after a month of regular use. So that's something I will keep in mind if you are comparing it with professional equipment intended for heavy daily use. And if you are wondering how quickly you will actually see a difference in your work, that depends much more on your technique than a machine. Permanent makeup takes practice. That's actually, I think, the included synthetic practice materials are important. You can work on eyebrow shape, eyeliner patterns, and lip outlines without immediately working on real skin. You can also use the ruler and mapping tool to practice symmetry and placement before using the machine. People ask me a few questions about this microblading tattoo machine kit. First, can this be used on lip tattoos? The kit is intended for permanent makeup applications and lip design for practice. However, practicing on synthetic material and performing permanent makeup on an actual person are very different things. Tattooing or cosmetic tattooing on real skin requires proper training, sanitation procedures, sterile single-use supplies, and compliance with whatever licensing and health regulations apply where you live. Second, is it actually cordless? Yes, with the included 1300 mAh rechargeable RCA battery installed, you can operate the pen without having a cable attached while you are working. Overall, the Ybeauty TP39 stands out mainly because of how much practice equipment is bundled around the wireless tattoo pen. You get the machine and rechargeable battery, 50 cartridge needles, 7 pigment practice skin for eyebrows and lip, a larger facial feature practice sheet, mapping and measuring tools, ink cups and rings, gloves, working pad, applicators, transfers and preparation supplies, charging accessories, and a storage case. For a beginner, that means you have a broad selection of supplies for learning and practicing instead of just receiving the machine by itself. I'll also leave the link in this video so you can take a closer look.